Welcome once again. Let's talk about Pi Network Coin. Now, leak shows that Amazon wants to acquire Pi Network Coin. There's been this rumor that Amazon wants to acquire Pi Network Coin. Now, the truth is, so many malls, so many businesses, so many e-commerce businesses have already come out openly to say they are accepting Pi Network Coin. The only thing they are waiting for is for the mainnet to be launched. Once it is launched, they will just immediately activate the Pi-based payment. Now, even right now as I'm talking to you, some already have Pi app, some already have Pi link for payment. All they are waiting for is for it to be fully launched. Now, this rumor of Amazon trying to acquire Pi Network Coin, wow, if this is true, then it would definitely help Pi to dominate. Pi is about to become the second biggest crypto coins. If I would say second or third, because it cannot ride out Ethereum, but remember Bitcoin is still the first, and I think for now BTC will always remain the number one. So for Ethereum, it would be difficult for even Pi to overwrite Ethereum coin. That is the truth. But if Amazon acquires Pi Network Coin, Pi and Ethereum will battle it. Now remember, Amazon owns the biggest e-commerce online store, the biggest online store in the world, Amazon. Now imagine accepting Pi as means of payment for Amazon goods and services. What do you think will happen? We know millions of people around the world uses Amazon, buys Amazon, sells on Amazon. So if Pi is being bought by Amazon and they accept it as a crypto-based payment for Amazon, believe it, once it's launched, Amazon will hit the biggest sales in history. Do you know why? Because people within a specific period, let's say within 130 days, if Pi is launched and Amazon acquires Pi, this is going to hit because so many people will want to buy. People have actually mined this coin. People want to make use of their coin. People want to buy some items using Pi. They want to experience it. So there is going to be much sales, and with time, definitely Amazon will recover all the money, whatever they spend on buying, because already themselves will have some coins they own for themselves. Imagine Pi hitting $100 or $50 or even $1,000 for a coin. So many malls are already using it. So many businesses, different groups, organizations are all accepting Pi Network Coin. So I believe with Amazon, if Amazon acquires Pi, it's definitely going to push Pi Network to hit more rise. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision. I hope for the best, and I want to see Pi Network keep rising and very soon for it to be launched.